Looking for a compact, powerful way to take on outdoor cleaning? This is the Husqvarna PW130 pressure washer. Small in size, big on performance. Perfect for space-conscious homeowners who want professional results without the bulk. Whether it's your patio, car, garden furniture, or walkway, this little machine makes cleaning quick, easy, and surprisingly satisfying. In the box, you'll find the washer body, high-pressure hose, the sprayer handle and lots, 2 spray nozzles with a hose connector, a foam sprayer, a nozzle unblocking tool, and your user manual. The lawn storage cradle is attached with 2 screws. Everything you need, neatly packed and ready to take on the dirt. Let's set it up. First, attach your garden hose to the machine's water inlet. Then, connect the high-pressure hose to the quick connection on the machine. Like all Husqvarna pressure washers, the PW130 is equipped with self-priming capability, meaning it can draw water from a static source like a rain barrel up to ½ a meter below the unit. Next, attach the spray lance, twisted clockwise to lock, and choose your nozzle. Now, plug the machine in, but leave the power switch in the off position. Before switching the power on, you must prime the pump to push away any trapped air. Press and hold the spray trigger until water flows out of the nozzle steadily. Now that the pump is full of water, switch the machine on. Hold the spray handle, aim at the surface, and let the high-pressure jets do the work, keeping a steady distance for the best results. Just remember, wear proper protective clothing like non-slip shoes and use it in dry conditions for safety. Weighing just 6.5 kilograms, the PW130 is light and easy to carry, ideal for smaller cleaning jobs around your home or garden. All your accessories store neatly on the washer itself, so you're not hunting for parts or wasting storage space. Don't be fooled by the size, it packs a punch. With a max pressure of 130 bar, an operating pressure of 95 bar, and a flow rate of up to 7.7 liters per minute, it delivers a solid cleaning performance every time. The 6-meter Ultra Flex high-pressure hose is flexible, easy to roll up, and sits neatly on the onboard hose storage. You also get a 5-meter power cord, giving you a nice bit of reach to move around freely while you work. Like the larger PW240, 350 and 480 models, it features a durable metal pump, quick connections, and a double swivel function on the spray lance, meaning smoother movement and no tangled hoses. Each nozzle is printed with a description of its action, so you always know which one to grab for the job. The variable flat jet nozzle lets you adjust the pressure for different surfaces, great for cars, patios, or garden furniture. And when you're dealing with stubborn dirt, switch to the rotary nozzle. It delivers a more focused, high-powered clean. The transparent foam sprayer makes it easy to see how much detergent you've got left, and refilling is simple. Now, while bigger models in the range handle higher pressure and larger areas, the PW130 keeps its advantage when it comes to convenience. Compact, easy to move, and simple to store. Noise levels stay low too, just 89 decibels, so you can clean comfortably without extra noise. Don't let the size fool you. The Husqvarna PW130 makes outdoor cleaning something you'll actually look forward to. So, if you're a homeowner looking for that perfect balance of power and portability, this pressure washer is it. Compact in build, mighty in cleaning power. That's the Husqvarna PW130 pressure washer.